Make sure to get inside the wheel arch. Alright, first coat. Two more to go. Slow down just a hair bit. There we go. A lot better coverage now. First coat of clear. So it's going to be nice, that first coat of clear. Now remember, take your time. If it looks like it's going on too orange peely, slow it down a little bit and it'll flatten out some more. But it looks like you're doing good. I wouldn't do it. I'd just let it go till the next coat. Might want to slow yourself down a little bit. Remember to get that underside. I think it looks good. Looks pretty good. Sorry, I was watching. First coat of clear. Turn you back on the last coat. Alright people, you must remember that we are amateurs. This is my second full paint job, and this is his first, base clear. Usually he does, rat rod stuff, which is just, faux painting everything, no clear, nothing like that. So just remember, before you be too harsh on us, that this is just a first time we've done this. Let's take a look. Alright, now we were hoping to spray some glass. I mean, yeah, you can see your reflection in it, but you can also see the orange peel. But that's what the polish sanding's for. So we got to wet sand the whole thing, which we think we're going to do an 800 or a 600, the whole bed, and then spray a flow coat on it. I was using a cheap gun, of course. It does look very good though, even though. Alright. Now, I didn't paint this. Boss did. It's his truck. He wanted to paint it. So if there's any problems, it's on him. Which he did. Yeah, you can see it. It's okay. Runs. We can get him out. And I'll tell you exactly what he did. He went over it this way, just like this, and he lost track of where he was and went over the same spot again. That's what caused the runs. No biggie. He sort of freaked out. I told him it can all be fixed. In fact, these upper ones right here aren't even that bad. These lower ones are probably the worst. They're thicker. But we're going to let that dry for about a week, and then we will wet sand it, get it ready to shoot again, do it again. It is a nice color. I do not like blue. He does, but it's a real nice color. I think it's going to pop in the sun. It's going to be almost black at night, but I get it. We are amateurs. This is our first all over. As you can see, we didn't even paint the cabin the same day. But remember, this is 4 coats base, and well, it's got 2 coats of clear on this side, 3 coats on that side. But we were getting ready to do the cab tonight. We're not scared. I know a lot of people's like, oh man, you wasted all that time and it didn't turn out perfect. Hey man, at least we're trying. At least we try it ourselves before we pay somebody to do it. Because if you think about it this way, when we do it, at least we can say we did it. Look at that. That one turned out perfect. That edge right there, look at that. That's glass. That's nice. That's how we wish the whole thing would turn out. I'll show you exactly what we're using, which is my garbage TCP global gun, which is literally held together with some, this actually has some pipe thread tape on the inside of it, because it used to leak air back into here. 1/4 tip, cheap flow. You know, it's just a cheap gun. I actually brought another, this is a Campbell Housefeld that we just used for the cleaning kit, but it has a 1/4 gun in there. I wouldn't use it either. He was going to paint it with a Harbor Freight gun, and I said, no, I don't know, no, let's not do that. He usually uses that for water base when he's doing the rat rod stuff. But what he don't know is I already had this LVLP that is super nice that I'm going to show him when he gets here. So, and this is actually for primer. It has 2 different tips. So, we'll show him that when it's time to paint. But I'm going to hit one more spot on the roof of this, and we'll be ready to start painting this after it gets hot in here. Funny. Today is wet sand day. This stuff's just sitting on here. Boss wanted to see how it looks. Yeah, we blacked all that out before we painted. It looks good still. It's just gonna be cleaned up. It's got a lot of overspray and dust on it. But it don't look too bad myself. It's dry now. So we wet sand now. Yep, it's time to light the fires and kick the tires. This valance over here actually turned out perfect. I mean, it's good. Look at that. That's glassy. But wet sand time. All that plastic shoots that crap off everywhere. Yep, wet sand, wet sand. Not looking forward to wet sanding, but that's what we got to do. Alright, I'm gonna light the fire and get started. Alright, so turn this down before I get kicked off YouTube for it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the bed now. We have this one side polished really nice, but I don't even want to say it, man. I burned through a couple areas on the other side. It happens. I mean, I just hope they're easy to fix. I'm going to show you. So here we go. I mean, you can see how ripped up my shirt is, isn't it? It's pretty nice, and yeah, if I can get it on there right. If I had my camera on, see if I can't turn my camera on. No, can't turn my camera on, dude. But it's a ton of flake in there because it's metallic. But yeah, wicked nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you where it burned through. It's always your edges. Now I'm gonna show you these ones up here, right there. You can't really see that one, yeah. But there's gonna be bed liner all the way up to that point. Not worried about those. These two, there's one here and one there. Not happy about it because what it is, this edge rolls up a little bit. The one I really don't, well actually this one ain't even that bad either. That one right there, because we could just tape off the bed and respray this whole piece right here, this whole corner. But, right there, man, that one's gonna haunt me. Unless he is planning on getting the wheel arch trim, which if he does, we're golden there. That won't bother it at all. But if we don't, then I'll probably end up having to pay myself to repaint that and then re-clear the whole bed again. Lovely. But none of this has been touched yet. This is all straight off the gun. I'm working on the hood over here. It's coming out really nice. Now I'm staying far away from these edges. I'm just gonna barely touch them with my hands. But, I mean, you can see the gloss, and this is 1000 by the way. But I am not happy at all about them mistakes back there. And the boss ain't even seen them yet. So he's going to be mad, I'm sure. Hey, first time, I mean, what can I say? I didn't try to do it on purpose. It just happened. We only have 2 coats of clear on this thing, so it's really easy to burn through in areas, which has just got me so worried now, because areas like here and where there was a run here I had to fix with 600. Run here I had to fix, and over on the door. It's freaking me out now. But I'm gonna get back to this, and hopefully I still have a job tomorrow.